How to play Mobile Legends on low-end Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can play Mobile Legends on low-end Android. So we'll be looking at some of the best settings you can do for Mobile Legends. So first step is the maps. If you have the maps option, you will need to choose a map. So the map that is the best for your gameplay is actually, let me just head over to the maps option. You can head over to maps option from here and select the Western Expanse map. Since I'm new to the game, I don't have that map, but it has a low graphic display, so that is going to help prevent FPS drop when you play. The other is head over to your settings. Let me go back, tap on the settings icon and set your graphics in smooth. So go to the basic section, and from your basic section you will need to set your graphics in smooth. So select the smooth option and tap on OK. And that's the best setting you can have for a low-end device. And after you do that, what you'll then need to do is turn on HFR mode and optimized FPS. So for that, head over to the custom section, and under the custom section you will need to turn on HFR mode, so that is high frame rate. So you can set everything here at low, not just HFR. You can select everything to low, and that is the best setting for you. And finally, what you can also do for that is head over to your camera height and set it at high. For your camera height, turn your outline to on, and also for your creep HP, turn that on. And doing that, head over to network now, and under network you will then need to turn on speed mode. Tap on OK, and that is a setting you can use on Mobile Legends for low-end Android devices. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.